Hey you, it's Sunjung from Hungry Gopher. Today, I've been really struggling, so I'm gonna answer one of the questions I get most often from you guys, that how to overcome setbacks when you're trying to overcome your health and wellness challenges. I struggle with the same problems and I've overcome them over and over again, and it's a way of living, so there's no quick fix. But one quick fun thing you can do is, rather than sitting on the couch for hours, which I did this morning because there was dark cloud just hanging over me and I couldn't get over it. I couldn't get up and do stuff. So I listened to my mentor, Dr. Mario Martinez, actually webinars a few times, and that actually got me going. And I went to the garden. That I did something really kind for myself. The chives are growing, so I cut the chives and I am making one of my favorite kimchi, Korean chive kimchi that I grew up eating. So the biggest thing when your health and wellness challenge comes is doing something, not waiting. If you're just sitting there and thinking, that's gonna actually drain your energy more. You need energy to sprung out of it. So how you do it is taking baby steps. So be really kind to yourself on those days, because those days will come. So what you do is, one of the greatest thing is cooking for yourself. Cooking meal that is nourishing your body is very healing, not only for you physiologically, but it has a very good immune enhancer property to it if you're doing it calmly, and it has meaning for you that you're doing it to taking care of yourself so you can take care of the ones you love. And that's an awesome way to enhance your immune system, which in return really improve your gut health. So I made chive kimchi today. I'm gonna show you what I made. And if you haven't tried top 3 Korean anti-inflammatory diet, try them. By lowering inflammation in the body, you can reverse a lot of chronic symptoms, chronic illnesses you might have experienced, such as bloated feeling and pain in the stomach, chronic skin problems, joint and muscle pains. And if you're tired a lot, that's also another sign of unhealthy gut. So where does gut health come from? There are a lot of components, one of which is what you eat is highly important. So eat superfood like kimchi that will empower you, and you can also empower yourself by doing empowering things, such as making food that heals you. And take the time for yourself on the days like that. And now I'm actually feeling good enough. After I made chive kimchi and started moving, the dark cloud disappeared. So I'm gonna do my self-loving commitment so I can love myself, so I can serve you. How can I serve anybody without serving me first? So I'm gonna actually go surfing after I shoot this video. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and this is one of the tools I use daily to overcome the health challenges I've been struggling with, one of which is fatigue, that I was too tired to walk, too tired to work. Like I was bedridden for about 18 months and with no diagnosis, and I'm gradually coming off of it. As you can see, I even go surfing now. So that's the power within you. But again, one way for you to get out of that helpless mode is the opposite, is empowerment, right? So one resource you can use is take that baby step. Don't lay there on the couch. It's okay to lay there for 3 hours or whatever you need to do, but it's all in your head. What you need to do is get moving. Get up, do the little walking, do a little gardening, whatever you're capable of. You're capable of something where you are, because you're so much more than the illness you currently have. So hopefully this helped you, and I'll see you next time. And come to check out hungrygopher.com for more empowering health and wellness information backed by recent science and personally proven by me. And download top 3 Korean anti-inflammatory recipes to love what you eat and heal your gut slowly but surely. very deliciously for certain. I'll see you next time. Bye.